Hello everybody, I'm Chris from Joykie e-bikes. Welcome to our guide on how to unbox and assemble your new folding e-bike. Your recently delivered folding e-bike is ready for its first ride, but before we hitting the road, let's unbox it. To do this job, you will need a pair of scissors. Stand the box right way up and pull up the top flap open. It's a good idea to bend the flaps completely out of the way so they won't scratch you or the bike when you lift it out. Inside the box you will find a small box with accessories and a folded e-bike. Small box with accessories, pedals, tools, reflector and charger. To open the small box, of course you will need a pair of scissors. Begin opening the compact box at its center. Before we begin, let's quickly go over the tools you will need for our assembly process. Multi-function wrench, 3mm hexagon wrench, S-type hexagon wrench, 5mm and 6mm, a crosshead 4mm hexagon wrench, crosshead screw 4mm for the front reflector installation. Now that you have your tools ready, let's proceed with unboxing and assembly of your new folding e-bike. Start by carefully removing the folded e-bike frame from the box. Remove the foam in the copper packaging from around the bike so it doesn't get in the way. Please recycle this material as appropriate. In a stirring motion, move it to your left and close the main frame hinge bowl. With the frame unfolded, locate the handlebar assembly. Align the handlebar with the designated stamp on the frame. Position the handlebar so that it aligns with the front wheel and the frame. Secure the quick release. Insert the handlebar into the stem, ensuring a snag fit. Use appropriate wrench or Allen wrench to tighten the bolts securely. Before tightening the bolts, make sure the handlebar is in the center of the stem. To ensure proper alignment, follow these steps to adjust the handlebar and the front wheel. Tighten the folding stem bolts. Use a 6mm Allen wrench to pre-tighten the upper and the lower bolts of the folding stem. To adjust the brake direction of the handlebar, loosen the black lever clamp or bolt. Rotate the lever horizontally and upwards. Tighten the clamp or bolt securely.
Now let's talk about the seat.
Adjust the seat cushion surface to be consistent with the horizontal direction. Adjust the appropriate height of the seat cushion according to your height. Adjust the seat tube quick release and twist the bolt until the quick release handle needs a certain amount of force to lock it. The front reflector goes on the handlebar. You can manually adjust the angle, always facing towards the front of the e-bike, and then use the screw to tighten it up from the top. And then you can position the bell by setting up the angle towards the right side and the display towards the left side. Let's install the pedals. Identify the pedals with the letter L and R accordingly. The side should be marked on the pedal axle or indicated by the letters L and R. Make sure you look at the base of the turret part to find the letter L or R, which indicates wherever it's left or right pedal. Pay attention to the shape of the corresponding socket and insert it into the charging port according to the shape. The locking structure of the battery is located under the frame to maximize waterproofness of the body while maintaining the aesthetics of the vehicle. The battery is independent structure and can be taken off for charging.
Now let's talk about the vehicle operation process. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the instrument switch.
Shifting gears, increase or decrease.
Press and hold the button plus 3 or 5 seconds to switch light. Press and hold the button minus to activate the push mode. After assembling, make sure to test the brakes to ensure they work properly.
Once you have completed the unboxing and assembly of your new folding e-bike, you are eager to embark on your inaugural city ride. However, you intended to fold it back into its compact size of 1000 mm by 750 mm by 420 mm, allowing you to effortlessly store it in your car and transport to your desired location, ensuring utmost convenience. Start by folding the pedals. Begin with the right pedal. Lift it upwards until it's parallel to the bike's frame. Next, lower the saddle by releasing the quick release lever located beneath it. Now move to the front stem. Release the quick release lever on the handlebar stem, allowing you to push the handlebar downwards. Release the quick release on this stem. Fold the handlebar completely down. Proceed to the kickstand. Look for a button or latch that holds the frame together. This will allow you to split the bike into two parts, making it easier to fold.